So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to delete your Google history from Chrome. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Chrome app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account with your Gmail ID. So let's open it. So this is your home page of Chrome. You can click on three dot here. Then you can see the option called history. Tap on it. Then here is your Google history. So if you want to delete individual history, then you can tap on simply cross icon here. And if you want to delete in a bulk amount, so you can tap on one history, then you can select it and you can simply click on here dustbin icon. So your history is about to going. You can see here delete browsing data, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.